How to create your own player in FC24. Now this is fairly easy. You first want to head to the top left of the main screen and press the customization section. Then you want to come down and select create a player. You have a choice between male and female players. Let's go with a male player for now. Female players can't play in all competitions for some reason, so let's choose a male. Then you want the basis of what you maybe look like if you're going on your own. So let's just choose this one here randomly. Then you have all the basic information. You can change the name, the team they play for, the country they come from, date of birth. You can really go granular here. Then you have the athletic, so you can change the build, so the weight and height and all different elements here. Then you have the head, where you can change the eyes, the nose, the lips, everything. You can move around, look at all the different elements, so you can really go deep and change how the player looks. You have the kit, you can have it tucked in, untucked. You can have short sleeve, long sleeve. You can really go into great detail. Then last on the list is animation. You can choose the goal celebration, so this will be their basic goal celebration. You can choose the running style, how you want your player to run when he's sprinting. Then you can basically save the player, and then that will be your created player in FC24.